Okay, test number one. Let's see how she flies. Fingers crossed. Our video feed. We are in air mode. And we're away. Okay. Okay, we're back, baby. So the Pavo was dead. I crashed it. Lost video feed. Have no idea why. But what I've done is I've taken the camera unit, so just the very end part, plugged that in from the old Meteor 6504 Lite that also wasn't working, and somehow those two parts together does the trick. So now we are back, and it feels really nice after the AVATA 2. Don't get me wrong, I like the AVATA, but weight wise, the way you can throw this around is insane. Beautiful afternoon. So I'm happy. She's back. We just need to get the props now for the Darwin, because I don't think that came with spare props. So we need to get that back. Oh, battery. Okay, battery's dying. Let's bring her back. I'm happy. Pavo is back in action. Oop, still can't land it. So let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you have any advice. Obviously, I'll be a little bit careful with the 04 Lite. I'm going to try not to crash this. I said that before and then crashed it, and we all know what happened there. It stopped working. But I'll speak to you guys in the next one.